Here we have the Freedom 335 with triple 300 Yamahas. Plenty of power to take you across to Bimini and back. Huge compartment. Great entertaining boat. Great entertainment boat. The seats move all the way out electronically. Again, on this, the Freedoms have the split in the center. So one side you have your head. The other side you have a bed. It has a great wet bar with barbecue, electric induction, so there's no flame ups. Great entertainment boat. Plenty of seating, and inside the cabin, beautiful, big space to fits 2 people. It comes with AC, so you stay nice and comfortable. This particular unit also has the helm master, which makes it easier to dock. Great open space in the front, a lot of entertainment, a lot of seating for all your friends and family to have fun. If you have any questions about this Grady or any other Gradys, please give me a call. Gunther, 305-409-4975. Thank you.